This new Etsy seller went from $0 to $13K in just 9 months, selling a digital product that takes seconds to create. It's still unsaturated and you can make it too. In this video, I'll review what it is, how to create it fast with AI, and the quickest way to double your revenue. One of the best ways to make fast sales on Etsy is by getting inspiration from a store that was launched just a few months ago, but has already achieved impressive revenue. Doing my research, I came across a store that solely sells wall art design and has made over 2K sales in a short period of time. According to a platform like Alura, this store has earned over $13K in total revenue and more than $1K in monthly revenue. I could also see how each individual listings were performing. Now, in order to create a design that sells as well as this store's digital product, we need to go through one of their listings to understand the type of wall art design that are attracting such impressive results. After analyzing, I realized that this seller used an oil painting style for their designs. With Alura, we can easily filter the listings in this store to find the best performing designs, which you can use as inspiration for our own creation. For example, I found 3 listings that were performing the best, and what we want to do is to create variations of these designs since they are showing strong demand in monthly sales. This means there's a high chance that buyers may be looking for something similar. And with the AI tools I just discovered, the process is simple and fast. But before we jump into the design process, I noticed something important. This new seller only offers digital products, which limits their sales to buyers who only want downloadable items, meaning they are missing out on high profit margin products like physical wall art. The best part, you can apply the same design to a physical wall art product without holding inventory or worrying about shipping. With a platform like Printify, selling physical products has never been easier. Printify offers a wide range of popular white label products you can print your design on effortlessly. Printify also integrates directly with popular online stores, and with Printify AI model, you can easily fill in searchable information for your product and your design will automatically be listed on your store. When a customer makes a purchase, Printify handles both the printing and shipping without you having to touch a single product. Keep watching to learn how to set this up step by step. Now, selling your design on platforms like Etsy is great because you make fast sales due to Etsy built-in traffic. However, Etsy can suspend your store without warning. That's why it's always smart to have an additional store outside Etsy. And the process of setting up your own store is easy. First, choose a domain name. Instead of using .com, I highly recommend going with a .store extension. Why? Because websites with a .store domain receive 87% more traffic and rank twice as high on Google compared to the generic domain. Shoppers immediately recognize .store domain as a place to buy, which boosts sales faster. That's why global icons like MrBeast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Emirates Airline all use .store domain for their brands. Now, getting a domain with a .store extension usually costs $29, but if you head to checkout and use the coupon code Endatah, you get it at a discounted price with privacy protection turned on. Even if privacy protection is turned off, you still get a domain for a lower price for 1 year. And that is not all. You also get a free access to plot version of Elevate.store when you register a .store domain. This is a premium toolkit designed to help online sellers grow faster. It includes deals and discounts for essential tools like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, all free just for choosing a .store domain. Now, the process of creating this design is straightforward. For this illustration, I'll be using Kittl Flows. This AI allows me to take a screenshot of any top performing design and use it as reference to extract the design style using that image. First, we need to start a new project in Kittl with a portrait aspect ratio. After importing a screenshot into Kittl, I select Smartboard. The Smartboard links directly to the screenshot and include a prompt box where you can describe the design. And here's the prompt I use. Imagine the front view of a vintage window overlooking Paris with the Eiffel Tower in the distance. Soft natural light casting gentle shadows inside. After generation, you see how easy it was to recreate something similar. With this concept, I can easily create many more designs in this same style without even including the style in the prompt. I have a list of 100 prompts you can use to craft design using Kittl Flows, and a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Now, since we'll be also selling this as a physical product, we need to move it to Printify to make it print ready. But before that, it's always best to upscale your wall art to a higher resolution to avoid pixelation. You can do this with a platform like Let Enhance. Once you've integrated your online store with Printify, select poster product and import the design into the white label product. After this step, Printify will automatically provide default product details. But to make your product highly searchable, use Printify AI model. Simply provide a short description of your product and it will generate an optimized title, description and searchable tags for you. To take this step further, you can also use Kittl Flow to craft a mockup for your wall art design. For example, I provided it with a sample prompt and it generated an amazing looking mockups. Once everything is set, click upload. Finally, I hope this video has encouraged you to understand the potential of selling wall art design and how you can turn them into a fast selling physical product. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.